€200 for a little plastic gadget that claims to fix your lungs feels like a bad joke. Yet people are falling for it every single day because of a few slick social media ads. You have probably seen this device popping up on your feed lately. It looks like a high-tech puffer with a little digital screen, and the company behind it says it can basically rebuild your respiratory system from the ground up. They call it a breathing trainer, a tool designed to help you quit smoking or vaping by giving your hands something to do while strengthening your diaphragm through resistance. It is basically the equivalent of doing push-ups, but for your lungs. And on paper, it sounds like a miracle cure for anyone struggling to kick a habit. They throw around big numbers like a 94% boost in oxygen levels, and they claim the device is medical grade and registered with the health authorities. But when you start scratching the surface, the whole thing begins to crumble like a house of cards. First off, there's the price tag, which is absolutely staggering when you consider what you are actually getting. Independent investigators and eagle-eyed shoppers have found the exact same device, the literal exact same hardware, selling on bulk trade sites for about $30. It means this company is marking up a cheap, mass-produced item by hundreds of dollars and calling it a revolutionary health breakthrough. That should be your first major warning sign. But it gets even weirder from there. The marketing materials featured a specific doctor who supposedly vouches for the science behind the device. But when researchers tried to verify this person, they found absolutely nothing. There is no record of this doctor in any medical registry. No credentials. No history. Nothing. It appears they literally invented a professional to give the product a false sense of legitimacy. Then there is the lack of any peer-reviewed studies or independent testing, which you would expect for something making such bold medical claims. The website itself is shrouded in mystery, hiding its registration details and keeping everything as vague as possible. People who have actually bought the thing are reporting that it feels cheap, flimsy, and essentially useless for the goals it promises to achieve. It is a classic case of a drop-shipping scheme dressed up as a medical innovation. If you want to improve your breathing, you do not need a €200 piece of plastic from a social media ad. You can do breathing exercises for free. Or better yet, go talk to an actual human doctor who exists in real life. Do not let a fancy screen and some clever marketing trick you into throwing your hard-earned money down a digital drain. Always look for the red flags. Check the registries. And remember that if a health miracle is being sold to you via an app, it is probably too good to be true. Staying healthy is hard work, but it should not involve getting scammed by a ghost doctor and a massive markup on a $30 toy. This is about your health and your wallet, both of which deserve a lot more respect than what this company is offering. Stay skeptical, do the research, and do not buy into the hype without seeing the real proof first. It is your breath. Do not let someone sell it back to you at an insane profit.